Hello and welcome to the planning briefing for National Weather Service Missoula, Sunday, June 4th, 2023. The weather pattern that we have been in, it's really not going to change much as we go through the rest of this week. We're looking at daily chances of showers and thunderstorms and a couple of periods that we're highlighting for the chance of some heavier rainfall, including Monday and then again on Thursday. So temperatures, they're going to be warming up, especially as we move through early week to about the middle of the week, so we have a good chance of those above average temperatures in the next 6 to 10 days, as seen at this outlook here. And as far as the precipitation goes, again, with this pattern that we've been in, we're continuing with those greater odds for above average precipitation as well. So here's just kind of a quick look at the flow pattern here and what's really causing the unsettled weather. You see there's the ridge of high pressure that's pushing up into Canada and parts of the northern central U.S. and a big trough here that's been digging down across California and pushing towards the desert southwest. So it puts us in more of this southerly flow and little disturbances that are kind of kicking off from this main trough here, and that's helping create the unsettled weather and the showers and thunderstorms that we've seen pretty much every day over the past couple of weeks here. And then the other aspect of that that kind of aids in the precipitation is the moisture. So this is just a look at the precipitable water, and that shows how much moisture we have in the atmosphere. And you see those greens, and getting into the darker greens, those are showing between 150 and 200% of normal for what we should see as the kind of average precipitable water values for this time of year. So above average moisture content. And so that moisture being around, combined with the kind of unsettled nature of the atmosphere, is leading to those showers and thunderstorms. So highlighting a couple of periods this week as the primary times to watch for some heavier rainfall. First one being Monday with a little low pressure that's moving up from the south. You can see this 5% or less risk of flash flood being caused by heavy rainfall, and that includes Missoula, Butte, so all of west central, southwest Montana, and then pushing into part of Limhi County and a little bit of north central Idaho there as well. So we're watching that on Monday. It's not a great chance of exceeding flash flood guidance, but there will be some heavy rainfall out there, and that's kind of what this shows, this graphic from the Weather Prediction Center. Then later in the week is the other time I mentioned that looking at some heavy rainfall once again. So this is the current probability of seeing a 1/4 inch of precipitation in a 24-hour period, Friday morning through Saturday morning. You can see pretty widespread across the entire Northern Rockies of close to 50% probability and even over. And then you see some lower areas in some of our valleys around the region, including Missoula at 44%, but you're still in that 30 to 45% range in most locations. So pretty good chance of seeing that widespread rainfall late in the week as well. And I mentioned the warming temperatures. The daytime highs are going to be warming up, but also the overnight low temperatures will be getting on the warm side. So this is current forecast for Saturday morning, so the Friday night into Saturday morning low temperatures. It kind of gives you the range of what's most likely for Kalispell, Missoula, Butte, and Grangeville. And then the big number on the right side there, that's the most likely low temperature on Saturday morning. And you'll see on the left, I've highlighted where the records are for the warmest low temperatures on record. And we're going to be pushing right up against those, especially in Kalispell and Missoula. So it is going to be some warm overnight periods, especially compared to what is normal for this time of year. So the main points here, the unsettled weather with the daily showers and thunderstorm chances, that's going to continue through the week. We are going to see a warming trend in the high temperatures and the overnight lows. And we do have that increased confidence for more widespread precipitation by the end of the week as well. So that's going to do it for our briefing on this Sunday, June 4th. And we thank you for tuning in. And if any questions, you can always send us an email or give us a call at the office. Thanks.